how to increase in the round using single crochet stitches. Welcome to Little Crochet Moments. An increase simply means making 2 single crochet stitches in the same space. Let's get started. We'll start from a magic ring. If you're not sure how to make a magic ring, just click the link in the description for a quick tutorial. Insert your hook into the next stitch. This is the next stitch. Insert 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's the first of 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert your hook again in that same stitch to finish your increase. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through, and you've completed an increase. That's it. Check out my other videos for more beginner-friendly tutorials.